Good evening and welcome. You're watching FII. I'm Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor. Now, can this little bottle, just right here in my hands right now, the end of COVID-19 for India and the world? Well, what is this? This is simply what a nasal vaccine will look like. What is a nasal vaccine and why is it said to be such a massive game changer, not just in India, but across the world? Let's dive into this explainer as I take you through why and how will be all our lives going to change once the nasal vaccine is out. As India waits for more vaccine approvals to take place, is there a game changer just around the corner? Well, several experts and now even Niti Aayog believes that the big game changer India and the world is waiting for is what's called a nasal vaccine. What is a nasal vaccine? Well, it is called a vaccine, but essentially it's a dose given via the nose rather than through a needle in your arm. As the target is to deliver a dose directly in the respiratory pathways, it is like a nasal spray. And with that comes the game changer reason number one. Since it's non-invasive, no needles required, it does not need healthcare workers to administer. So how does it work? Well, it is a live initiated vaccine, meaning it uses the weakened form of the germ. When you give it through the nose, there is a mucous membrane in the upper throat where it gets absorbed and it will then be able to develop antibodies. Since it enters the mucous membrane directly, the absorption is much faster. And since the immune response in the nose, which is the point of entry of the virus, comes in, there lies the game changer number two. It is only not going to build immunity, it will give you protection from the virus, prevents the spread, and this is something, remember, a regular vaccine simply cannot do. So how effective is it and how soon can we expect one? Well, at the moment, there are about 4 vaccines that are undergoing phase 1 and phase 2 trials, but that's across the world. The good news here is that Bharat Biotech is also working on one of them and has actually applied for approval for phase 1 trials here in the country. One is with the US-based vaccine maker FluGen and the other is with the University of Washington School of Medicine. Now, the vaccine has demonstrated protective efficacy in mice and hamsters so far. Mice and hamsters showed immunity with its single dose and in fact gave superior protection, much more than what 1 or 2 doses of the intramuscular vaccine achieved. And there lies our game changer number 3. Only 1 dose is enough. You can achieve immunity and you can immunize a larger number of people in small amount of time, and that there would be no need for people to come back for a second dose. And that's not it. Only 0.1 ml is required. That is simply going to be spread or put in with a spray in each of your nostrils. Now remember, several doctors have said that once global herd immunity is achieved, COVID will be reduced to just say a common cold. Well, this simple spray will be able to achieve abundance that can be popped in a small bottle like the one you get in your nasal sprays, and that is good news for India and the world. Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor.